how much this shirt will cost. Erin Moriarty of 48 Hours has been adding it up.
So it is a little bit longer than a traditional polo shirt. And then if you notice the sleeve length, to me is the perfect length.
Few designers are quite this hands-on with reporters.
You can actually see your necklace, and you can just see the way that the fabric drapes on you. So it's already packaged.
But Catherine and Jared McLean so believe in the polo shirt they brought to market this past November that they're willing to share the nuts and bolts of their business. And they don't shy away from a tough question.
Most of the polo shirts I can buy at retail are $90.
Right.
And you're asking $155.
Yes.
How do you convince somebody to spend that kind of money on a polo shirt?
We just say, just try it on.
Yeah.
We almost took a backwards approach to manufacturing. A lot of people look at, oh, how are we going to keep our costs low so we can make a higher profit? And what we looked at is, what can we do to make this the best shirt possible, and then we'll price it from there.
Catherine and Jared met while working at the Hermes boutique in Beverly Hills, which may help explain why they look to France for the fabric for their shirts.
A women's shirt can take anywhere from a yard to a little less than a yard of fabric per shirt, and that runs about $610 or $650 depending on what time of the year we buy.
True mother-of-pearl buttons were too expensive, $1 each. They found similar but sturdier versions in Hong Kong.
Our buttons are about 3 cents a piece. You have 3 here, and then we give you an extra one in case you need it down the road.
And instead of a box, the shirts are placed inside hand-embroidered linen bags from Vietnam.
We wanted it to be reused, we wanted it to be special, and we wanted it to be of the same quality that the shirt is made.
How much does that add to the cost?
These are
$290.
$290 a piece.
But what adds most to the cost of the shirts? The McLeans actually produce them here in the United States.
Manufacturing in this country adds how much to the cost of a shirt?
If you're doing 1-to-1, it's 75% more.
So it's a little over $11 per shirt. What would that cost if you did it, we'll say, in China?
It could be $1,
It could be $1,
$2.
it could be $2.
There is also the cost of thread, the labels, cloth tape for the shirt vents, tissue paper, and shipping from the New York factory to the McLean's home in Atlanta. All told, one KP McLean polo shirt costs about $30 to make. Using the standard markup, the wholesale cost is $65. As for the retail price, you may be surprised that clothing is usually marked up more than 100%. That's how the McLeans arrived at $155.
It sounds like in order to make this company successful and have people buy your shirts, they really do have to kind of know the story behind each shirt.
Yeah,
They do.
And we're happy to tell it.
And if they know the kind of thought that we're putting behind our product, and they know the kind of quality that we're putting out there, that will keep you around a lot longer than somebody who's just creating a brand as opposed to a brand and a quality product.